get the home. Take about another 50. Right? Cheese.
No credit card. My name is
Baka lasing. Labi, should we ask them? Okay, wait lang. Yeah. You're getting off here. After 1 hour. Welcome to Nico. We let lunch first. No card at the moment, just cash. Oh my goodness. Oh, so what happened?
I just had to tell him for. It's a good thing he can speak a little English and he's not cranky.
Okay.
And he's, easy.
Alright, welcome to Nico.
13
Dada. Ooh, it's chilly. I would say it's about 5 degrees Celsius, maybe. Good times. Alrighty. Where's Eddie and Dada and Mama? It's a nice time at Nico. There's nobody here but us. Woo. Alrighty, the train station looks like a restaurant. Looks like a cabin, like a lodge. And it is extra cold in Nico. What's that, Labi? Oh, I thought you were gonna say.
Have you not noticed the moon?
The moon. I know I have. I know. I told you it was gonna be a full moon. I think tomorrow will be the peak. Because yesterday it wasn't full on circle. Okay. Oop. Alrighty. Right, and we have made it to the station. Welcome to Nico, it says. Tourist map of Nico area. Alright, welcome folks. Whew. I'm looking forward to using the toilet actually. Alrighty.
This is the one we want. This is the one we want, but we've got about 2 minutes. Do you know anything to choices?
No. Oh, I think it's for us to be able to go to different places.
Right.
But
Hi. No credit card?
Yeah.
Oh. How much is total?
Ikaru.
1350. Ah,
Hey. You don't have to open this.
Evidence you're eating. It's autumn time in Japan, and my parents are enjoying an egg sandwich from the supermarket. We're waiting for a train station. It's gonna take about another
train
50
station?
sorry, we're waiting for a train,
train station.
at a train station, and it's gonna get here in about maybe 15 to 20 minutes.
Researching up.
Honey cheese. What is this gonna taste like? I don't know. Let's see.
Your attention, please. Passengers for Limited Express train number 4 departing at please go to track number 2. This is a reserved seating only train. A Limited Express ticket is required.
Now both of them are having their own
A good
version of crisps.
March seasons
Mommy,
aren't
what
hard
are
to
you
find
having?
anymore. It's,
And the mommy crackers. Ada, what are you having?
It's somewhere like also like us.
potato chip.
I know, what's the flavor?
Seaweed.
Can we see?
Like June, June at the end of August.
Kind of
28, so that's what it gets.
This is the same way as your nigiri. This is how you get to wrap it without touching it. You get to wrap it because you're not touching it.
Daddy, can you show me your egg sandwich?
Pwede. Ayan, shadow fill.
So, just show this.
Yeah, it's always good.
Oh, wait. It's not. Please try it.
First bite.
You can have the first bite. Let's try it.
Really good.
Oh, that's a big bite.
I know.
It smells like Hungarian sausage. Yep, everybody go in. Alright, here we go. Alright, where do we go? It's chilly. That means we're gonna enjoy a nice warm shower later at the hotel. I think you're a bit blurry. Whoa.
Oh, meron na bus.
Okay.
elevator. Bago.
What's that?
Modern. Bago. Elevator niya.
Oh, nice. That should be us. Okay, everybody, come up. Go, go, go. I don't think our train is there. Go, go. Oh my goodness.
Go down again.
What? You can? Oh. Okay, here we go. Make it quicker though.
Okay, go.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my lordy. It's good, but we always should leave 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Not sakto lang.
Oh, hirap yung ano eh.
We have time. Yeah, still like 10 minutes pa till the
Yeah.
train
Ah.
gets here.
Ito ba no? Eddie's and there on the other side with mom.
Sige, go.
Ay, ba? Oh. Okay. This is us? This is us?
Nah,
My name is Shiba.
Baka lasing. Labi, should we ask them? Baka lasing na. Wait, Eddie's asking. Okay, oh my god, this is it. Labi, go. Okay.
Yeah.
Decided to move on when I was like, I was waiting for Jenny because I think it's like,
Yeah.
Well, there's nobody here.
yeah.
I don't think they'll say that because I don't think they.
ご注意ください。